Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Instagram voice message not working on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. First of all, open the App Store on your device. On the App Store, type Instagram in the search bar. Here, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. After that, go to settings, scroll down to find Instagram and click on it. Under the Instagram, make sure that microphone is enabled and then make sure that background app refresh is also enabled.